MDP house by Vinklu in ALEXANDRU Cel Bun, Romania. A house on the ground floor, at the border of the city of Piatra Neamt, offers an everyday experience stratified on several levels: contextual, morphological, visual and orientation/positioning on the plot, horizontal, vertical, inside, outside. Located at the end of the street, behind the state reserves, densely planted, the land has a natural slope and is divided into two portions with a steep difference in level from the access side to the base. At the same time, orientation towards the sun and context was a factor in the final positioning of the house. The general functional principle was a house without hallways, a woven, sculpted space, with the necessary functions oriented well towards the sun, but also ferrites from the neighbors. At the same time, in order to emphasize living on the ground floor, a perimeter veranda dissolves the strong boundary between the outside and the inside, offering additional protection to the facade against the weather and direct sunlight. Each space has level access directly to the outside. The final positioning was self-determined by putting together the basic considerations regarding topography, orientation, access, etc. The planimetry is a result of the final positioning, the needs of the family, the stratification of a regular grid, and a structural principle with rigid rooms. Therefore, fixing the living room to the south corner generated the final solution. All the windows have the same size, less the panorama from the living room and the one from the master bathroom. The turning point of the project is the vertical development of the living room, a natural continuation of the compression of the living space. The resulting route, from the entrance to the final view, offers an exaltation in the experience of the journey, complete with a concentration of space at the scale of each user through the panorama window. I emphasize here more the things that are lived, namely this interior pathway made up of different functional spaces, which expand, focus, have openings to different areas and lights, and offer a living dimension to the living, to the detriment of some walls with or without doors. I lead you to the destination. The whole project is executed with local materials and teams. The superstructure is made of time frame, with an external finish of thermo-treated pine, naturally aged, and outlined by the regular structure of the veranda, with open corners. The house is also designed for future development. The height of the roof is decided considering a possible attic. In this sense, a place for a swinging staircase is provided at the end of the dining area.